square in the name of the Almighty God. After that, I will be faithful and be true again against the Republic of Uganda, and that we preserve, protect, and
fear in the Almighty God, that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established,
and defend the Constitution. So, God help me.
Ngol tahwire hemre manzi kando kunukwe bamwe omba kansara begombora ya chikagati ensebe hindukine ahakurahira kwabo kujwechere bantu begombora okorahiroku kubira hambugaze gombora kando watori nwantebe ya kashatu nuwabandize kurahira bwanyuma ya ba kansara naba barahizibwe bitebye rungereza bikagarukaye n'abajungu obu Uganda yetegeka ahakuba kirengire ba kansara bakwatana biragarampaho ahabwe nshongeji orukuro kuteza akaruro mu district y'Isingiro David Mukundane ajemeserezibwe kushobashoba ngo ahwere hababire batako basa kushoma biti bahendire bamurebize.
Swear in the name of Almighty.
Swear in my name of
Swear in the name of Almighty.
Swear in my name of
Swear in the name of Almighty God.
Swear in my name of God.
Solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
So help me God.
Swear in the name
Swear in the name
of Almighty God.
of Almighty God.
Solemnly affirm that I will be faithful
That I will be peaceful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the Republic of Uganda,
to the Republic of Uganda,
and that I will
preserve
Abandi batahi babo bagerezeho nabo kubashomera omuchama ngo bagaruke mu biti bya yanga byababera mino garuguru.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution.
Bakansara bakubahereze kurahira baterera speaker bit speaker kandogu ashabera abantu okumushabera college.
Bareke kunchera ko omuntu omunda bantu mumujya kugenda hemirundo eshatu rwakana no kwita niyenda mukimanye echamunonga ritani ko kizababare wagira ngo hariho abarabe mururu tibararahire nimbasa kurahira kunga ngoma abeshonga
we bari we committee ngikitoka chikora mumongere zindi nga Isingiro South ayiro voice yo secretary for production yo secretary for services
Hono muruba kansaraba hatorine ngabo kwebembera entebe sari zimwe na zimwe nkeye byesente ebyamashomero nebindi gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya.